Guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to see another kind of privilege escalation named, it's a powerful access in Windows. It's named as a SeImpersonate privilege. Okay. So I will show you what it is. Let me open the command prompt in a administrator mode, and let me check which privileges I have. If priv here. So now we can find a few privileged names. Here we are going to use a SE impersonate privilege. This should be enabled. Okay. So by default in most of the machines, it will be enabled. Okay. So let's discuss what is impersonate privilege, SE impersonate privilege. Okay. So this is one of the most powerful mechanism, permission mechanism in Windows. So it allows a process to impersonate the security context of another user. Okay. So if you want to start a process, you can use the security context of another user in that process. Okay. I mean, the higher privileged user uh, security context into the which process you are going to create. Okay. So this is like it will be temporarily taking the identity of a higher privileged process and it will be using that in the current process. Okay. So we have set of tools to do this. We have a uh, print spooler. We have a juicy potato, rotten potato, and rogue token manipulation. There are few tools you can do, but in this video we are going to use one of the tool called print spooler. Okay, let me give a small explanation about the print spooler. Okay, so every computers it will be connected to the printer, so you can print or scan remotely. um, okay, right, remotely or a wired connection. So by using the print spooler software, our Windows machine will interact with the printer. Okay, that's print spooler. So we are using the print spooler to exploit this SE impersonate privilege escalation vulnerability. Okay, basically. So I'm going to use this tool. So if you search for K4 STH4 print spooler, this guy has a good tool, print spooler. Just download this tool, and we need one more executable called the netcat. So from here you can download the netcat nc.exe 64 or nc.exe, just whichever is feasible you can download this. Okay, so let's keep both of the things in a same repository. That's your choice. Okay, the keeping in a same repository or any other repo, but we'll start working on this. This pretty easy. Okay, to elevate the privilege. Let me first use the print spooler. Okay, let me show you. We'll execute the. We'll go to the. We'll redirect to the directory first. Here we have a print spooler and dash I dash C. Let me one second. Before executing this command, let me show you something. YMI slash all. So I was in a high mandatory level of privilege, and now I will be executing the that command print spooler.exe dash I dash c uh, cmd. So now it was create process as user. It showed it's okay, and you can see we got a another CMD. Let me give whoami slash hall here. Okay. So now you can find we are in a system mandatory level of privilege. It's a very, very higher privilege. Here you can see everything has been enabled, uh, right? So you can do any sort of things inside the machine. But here you can see a lot of privilege has been permission has been disabled. Privilege permission has been disabled. Here you can see everything has been enabled, right? So the reason why I asked you to download the netcat, we can take a reverse connection from this two. It's pretty simple to taking a reverse connection. Let me show you that. To taking a reverse connection, you need a Kali Linux machine. Let me open a port name NCLVP listen verbose port. Uh, 8567. Let me open this 8567 port, and let me go to the let me close this windows, and I'll be using another. Let me use another prompt as administrator privilege. So now here you can see it's like a normal, uh, it's a privilege. It's a high mandatory level, but not a system level. Let me go to redirect to the. Okay, so let's use the print spooler, and we need to give the command, which command we are going to we are going to use. So we are using, so instead of giving the normal CMD, we are using the netcat here. Let me netcat, and you know how to handle a netcat. We need to give a uh, IP address of a listening machine. Let me show the IP address here. If I have config, so my IP will be 168.18.27. Let me give an IP 192.168.18.27. So now you need to set a port. So which port we have used? It's 8567. I feel, yeah, 8567, 8567, and finally, we can give a CMD in that end. Okay, so let me execute this. So now you can see the create process user as okay, and here you can see we got a reverse connection from that. We can control everything from here in a Kali machine. Okay, so we have a system mandatory level privilege. We have each and everything uh, uh, to handle, right? So that's all about this video. So another time. So in this privilege escalation, we have used SeImpersonate privilege to do a privilege escalation. So you can find it here to do a privilege escalation from administrator privilege to a service account, like a system account. Okay. Yeah. Hope you have a clear understanding about this video, and we'll continue our discussion in the next video. See you guys. Bye bye.